There are about 300,000 letters in the Quran. 1/3 of this number is 100,000. So if you read 1/3 of the Quran, you will receive 100,000 hasana or credit as a reward. Now what we do, as you know, we Islamize the number. How do we Islamize the number? By multiplying by 10, right? You know how everything in Islam, the hasana bi'ashrat amthalha. Hasana is times 10. So the 100,000 times 10 is 1,000,000 hasana or credit for reading 1/3 of the Quran. Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam in Sahih Bukhari and in Sahih Muslim told us very clearly, if you read Surat Al-IKHLAS chapter 112, which is قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ اللَّهُ الصَّمَدُ لَمْ يَلِدْ وَلَمْ يُولَدْ وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ, 6 seconds. If you read that, you will receive what equals to 1/3 of the Quran in terms of rewards. So as I said, it takes about 6 seconds to read قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. Let's just say you read it 10 times. That's for 1 minute. You read it 10 times, you get what? 10 million hasana, 10 million credits. The problem is that most of the people who are listening to me, they know that. They've heard this hadith, but for some reason, they don't understand why they don't follow it, they don't do it. Maybe they do it a little bit and then it just fades away. What happens is that the shaitan knew how huge, how massive the rewards are. So what is he gonna do? He's gonna do his best to divert you from saying that, from doing that. Therefore, you have to have a very solid plan. The plan should consist of timing, or the time that you will read قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ, this surah, and how many times are you going to read it. So let's just have a plan of doing it every morning and in the evening. 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the evening. Then you have decided on the time, you have decided on the number of times you're going to read it. Make sure you put some kind of a plan. It could be after every salah. You do it 5 or 10 times after every salah. Stick to it. Make sure you do it this time. And make sure you always beat the shaitan. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Don't ever let him get to you anymore. No more. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Inna kayda shaitani kana da'ifa. He's very weak. He told us in the Quran. So make sure that in your house you apply this, inshallah. You will be able to do it. Okay.